gotten up, I swear, like 6 times because I
forgot this, and then I forgot that, and then I need to go get this, and...
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be playing, testing, trying out the brand new Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette. That is right, you guys. I did get this in the mail. Actually yesterday, I think, as I'm filming this, it is the 4th of February, and I got it yesterday, so I'm super excited. Eva, you dropped your toy. She's freaking obsessed with this toy. I don't know what it is. I think it's some kind of like pig's hoof or something, but she is obsessed with it. She loves it to bits. This is gonna be more of a review style video than anything else because my lights aren't turned on. Excuse me. I had one turned on, but I forgot the other one. I'm sorry. But this is gonna be more of a review type video because I really want to give the spotlight to this palette because I'm super excited about it. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. So, like I said, something pretty simple today. Not simple, but like, I want to really focus this on the eyes. So I'm not gonna probably say everything that I'm gonna be using on the face. I am gonna stick pretty much to the eyes, but this is what the actual packaging looks like. I think it's so pretty. I do like Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow formula. I have used a couple of her other palettes, like the Celestial Thunder palette, and there's a couple others that I have, but this one I'm so excited about. This one actually comes inside of its own unicarton, like its own little box, instead of it being like a sleeve. But I did not try the original Latte palette. I should have, but I didn't. Here are what the shades look like. It is a, neutral toned palette. You have your warm tones over here, and you have more pops of color, this really nice coral and like teal kind of mint to green, and then a nice yellow over here. Really, really gorgeous shades. I haven't touched these shades yet. I just got it in the mail and I haven't even played with them. Ooh, these are really pretty. Ooh. These are nice. These are super duper nice. Oh yeah, right here is called Drizzle. This one is called Iced Coffee, and this one is called Frappe. So I cannot wait. Let me swatch a couple of the mattes really quick. And here's this first one right here. This one's called Cafecito. This one is Coffee Beans, and this one is Matcha. Really nice. I'm super excited. The mattes didn't swatch as well as the shimmers, but what can you say? I think that mattes never really swatch as well as like shimmer shades because mattes are mattes and shimmers are like metallic and stuff. I did already watch one review on this palette because I wasn't 100% sure that I was gonna pick up the palette when I watched the review. I probably shouldn't have because hopefully I don't have a biased opinion. I don't think I will. I genuinely don't think I will. But I did watch Mel Thompson's review on this palette. It's the only one that I've watched. I haven't even watched Kristen's like reveal video about it or anything. I don't know if she did a reveal video. I honestly don't watch very many Kristen Dominique videos. I seriously don't know why, because I've heard from many people that she's like so nice and that she's like a very genuine, kind person. So I'm excited. I want to start watching more of her stuff.
I don't know what that means.
Oh my gosh, Siri? Siri just like listened to my entire life. Oh goodness. That's kind of scary. I've just heard from people that she's really, really genuine and that she seems like a very nice person. So I'm gonna start watching more of her videos because I love finding new people to watch, especially new makeup people to watch. It's one of my favorite things. I'm just gonna do something quite simple today. I say this literally every single time. Oh my gosh. Today I really mean it. I want to do something more simple. I don't know. But we're gonna just start off with a crease shade. This is more like an all over shade. I want to go into Café con Leche right here. And then we're just gonna pop that literally all over the lid, everywhere. Yeah, it's very, very light. I like these nice light colors because it gives the eyes quite a good base for other shadows to adhere to. And then I'm gonna go into the shade called Cafecito. This one right here, this nice, I love these colors of browns. like they're my favorite. These nice, rich brown shades. I'm gonna take it on a, this is my Sigma, my E38 Sigma brush. It's like the diffused crease brush. I'm gonna get a little bit on there and then we're gonna go directly in the crease. Yeah, and they're very pigmented, holy crap. Oh goodness, they're so pigmented. That's lovely. Oh wow, that is so nice. It blended so well. That was great. That was really nice. I do have a few skippies right here, if you can see that. I do have a few of those, but you can barely tell. I'm not mad at this at all. This was really nice. And I only had to go into it once. Wow, even on my problem eye over here is blending out really nice. This eye, for some reason, I don't know why, but this eye hates everything. No matter what I put on it, I can barely ever get it to blend. Like, it just looks weird. Like, it looks a bit harsh on this eye compared to this eye because this eye just never wants to blend. I don't know what it is. I don't know if like my eye shape is totally different on this side or what, but like this, my left side of my face, like my left eye, absolutely sucks. But this one seems to do pretty well. I like this. I'm gonna go into the shade called Coffee Beans now, right here. And we're gonna go ahead and deepen up the outer corner ever so slightly, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Well, the Coffee Beans shade and Cafecito are actually pretty similar. Yeah, they're actually very, very similar shades, so I don't think I'm going to be able to deepen this up very much. I may just leave it like this, to be real. Yeah, I may just keep it like that because there's not too much difference when it comes to the Cafecito and the Coffee Bean shade. They are very, very similar, so I may just keep it like this, to be honest, and then put like a really nice shimmer on the lid. Ooh, I don't know what I want to do for the lid. I could use frappe right here and then put like matcha or strawberry, or maybe matcha on the lower lash line for like a pop of color, or go into drizzle. Oh, I don't know what to do.
Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do.
Could I go into drizzle and then use blonde roast on the lower lash line? Would that look weird? Let's try it. I don't know. We'll give it a shot here. But this drizzle shade, oh my goodness. Oh yes. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this. Ooh. Yes, I love it. Okay, so that's the eyes for now. We're gonna go back into, I need to calm down. We're gonna go into the face now. Oh, I didn't have very much fallout. Maybe like a teeny tiny little bit, but really nothing at all, nothing to write home about. And I'm actually gonna use a little bit of my Forthright Beauty Glisten Up Mist. I actually use this in every video almost, but I forget to say it. So I feel like I actually need to say that I'm using it because I think it's really important. I love this stuff. And then I'm gonna go in with my Farsale Liquid Glass Primer. Uh-oh, I got a lot on that side. And then I never actually remember if I say what kind of foundation that I use, but I use the Uoma Beauty foundation. It's like the Say What foundation, and I'm in the shade Fair Lady T3C. That shade actually is a tiny, tiny bit too dark for me because I do tend to like foundations that are a hair darker than my skin tone just because I have such dry skin. So if I use a foundation that's like my direct skin tone, my skin looks so dry and it just does not look very good at all. So I like to have something that is a bit darker than my actual skin tone. And then going into my Tarte Shape Tape. That was weird. Raph brought over this game called Kingsguard from home. He actually sent it over and it took like 2 months to get to us. Like, he sent it in a box before he even came here. And we just got it like 4 days ago. So it took so long to get here, but it's a board game called Kingsguard and it's all in Italian. So it's really fun though, because I'm learning Italian because I really want to be able to speak to his family. I'm someone that adores language. I love language. I always had ever since I was a kid. I am having so much fun learning Italian. He's also teaching me Japanese as well because he speaks Japanese because he lived there for 4 years and he went to school for it. But he's teaching me Italian, like, first and foremost because I want to make sure that I'm able to talk with his family and stuff, but he is teaching me Japanese as well and it's super duper fun. I'm really enjoying it. I think Japanese is such a cool language. It's very hard. It's very hard. I feel like a lot of people don't understand how hard it is. It is so hard. And the thing is that I haven't even gotten into like the grammar of stuff. I've learned hiragana. I've done pretty well at that, and then I'm learning katakana right now, which I actually find katakana more easier than hiragana, and I feel like most people say that they find katakana harder. I'm pretty much good on hiragana, but there's still some that I get kind of confused on. But I haven't even gotten to like the whole grammar part of it yet. Like it's gonna be a wild ride. It took Raph 10 years to become fluent, like business level in Japanese. Like it's one of, I think Japanese is probably, in my opinion, one of the hardest languages to learn. Not even to master, but to learn, you know? I'm using my butter bronzer today. I have said to him, I said, hey, if it took you that long to learn Japanese, I might as well just learn it in passing with you and just like learn a bit of it and everything, because when me and you go to Japan, I don't know when it would be, the time's gonna pass anyways. So since it's gonna pass anyways, I might as well just learn a little bit, because if I wait 10 years from now, I'm gonna be so sad. I'm gonna be like, why didn't I just learn a little bit? Like, why didn't I do that? Because I know nothing now. So that's my mindset, especially with Italian, because I want to be able to talk to his family. But I think I'll be really happy and proud of myself whenever I get to a point to where I can at least understand a little bit, or maybe even read a little bit. And it's very interesting learning the like the hierarchy of stuff. So you have like your informal, your formal, then you have like your gentle, your honorific, stuff like that. So people really take it very seriously over there, and it's really cool to see. Every time that Rav teaches me something, he teaches me the kind of informal way, just if I was talking to a friend, and then he teaches me the formal way so I can say both, because I need to learn both of them. Because even if I'm a tourist, even if I'm visiting Japan, I want to make sure that I do things properly, because I want to, if I talk to someone and if they're like Raf's old boss, or if it's someone that's like higher than me or older than me, like, be respectful. Even though I don't know the language, I still want to try and be respectful as much as I can. I need blush. I'm using Milani today. This is the Luminoso blush, and I feel like I've been talking a mile a minute so fast. So I apologize if I've been talking super duper fast. And for highlight, I've got the Colourpop Super Shock highlight in the shade On the Cusp. Lovely. And I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera real quick like, and then I'll be right back. And back. We're gonna go back into the Latte 2 palette, and I wanna know what to do on the bottom lash line. I love this that's going on here. I do know I want to use Frappe and do some inner corner action. I love that. I have a feeling that putting Blonde Roast under my eyes for this with the gold on top is not gonna look that great. So I'm just gonna play it pretty simple, and we're gonna go into the shade Cafecito again, and then just run that on the lower lash line. Like smoky moment, like a really nice, simple kind of, I love these kinds of looks, you know, with like the browns and the golds and the, I love it. So there's that. That's the eye look for you guys. I know it's very simple. Literally anyone could have done this, but like I just think it's so pretty. I actually maybe want to take a tiny little bit of Frappe and just like pop it on top of the drizzle shade. Oh, that's pretty. It gives it just like a tiny little bit of sparkle. Oh, that's really pretty. I love that. I love that. I like that I did that. It gives it like the tiniest little bit of sparkle. I'm obsessed. I'm dropping everything today. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in the shade Uncuffed. And there we go. Freaking beautiful. I love it to bits. Oh, I need to do, why do I always forget this step? I swear. I never actually forget this, but like I'm just like, let's do mascara. Goodness gracious. This is the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. Okay, and I'm back with lashes on, so this is it. I'm actually gonna go in with a little bit of the Dominique Cosmetics gloss as well. This is in the shade Peach Tea. I wanna see what this looks like on top. I'm obsessed with this look so much. I think it's so pretty. Oh, that's lovely. Oh my gosh, I actually haven't used this yet. I got this in a BoxyCharm a while ago, and I actually haven't used it. Oh, I love it. Yay! Okay, oh my gosh, I'm really excited. So, yes, you guys, that's been the look. This is the look we did create. with the Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette. I'm actually obsessed with it. I think it's freaking stunning. It's very basic, it's very simple, I know that, but I think it's really great. The palette itself was really awesome. It blended very nicely. I had a couple of little skippies on certain areas, but it was really nothing bad at all. I think that these shimmer shades were just so beautiful and they applied so well with the finger just by itself. In my bathroom, like on my vanity, I have a drawer that's like my top drawer where stuff like my everyday stuff goes, so I think this is going to be going there. I'm super excited about it. But yeah, you guys, that has been the review slash tutorial on this palette here today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!